Hey train fans, welcome to Rockwall Canyon. So about a year ago, you might remember I did a video on train racing. Now if you'll recall, my railroad is basically a large loop folded in half, so it kind of looks like a double track horseshoe. And that enables the trains to run side by side and then pass each other at one of the loop ends and then come back down on the opposite side track. And I've decided to reverse the race this time. We're starting at the bottom and we're going to work our way up towards Rockwall Canyon and come back here for a finish. So with the trains in place, I handed the controllers to my son and they're off. Wow, what a close race. For the second year, though, the Bug cars, the RDCs, are victorious again. I do say I was rooting for that Yankee Doodle. It started off pretty good. He may have got a little early start, actually. But as soon as those RDCs hit the downward slope there, gravity took over, and they started accelerating, and there was nothing that could be done. Well, with the race all done, it was back to work for these two train sets, backhauling commuters. I also managed to get a couple little freight trains out there, too, in between them. So stick around, there's more to see.